Hello, you out there, viewers and subscribers. I hope you take care and stay healthy. Welcome to Gilbert Show Paradise. This new video is taken at 7 Mile Kota Sentosa, Kota Central. And for you who wants to keep updating the progress of the intersection, or interchange, or flyover, whatever you want to call it, watch this video. We are now at 7 Mile Kota Sentosa, and to your left you can see the twin apartment, and to your right is the Kota Sentosa hospital. And as we approach the traffic light, you can see the Cisco substation on your right, and the construction that you see there, the bridge span, they are doing it at this point of time. A closer look at the bridge span, and just ahead of us, the Chinese temple. To your left, we are at the traffic light now, and you can see the bridge span, the pillars they're already installed, and onto your left again, the Borneo house. At the middle lane, the widening of the road, you can see in the middle there, they are putting some stones, quarry stone. I think they're going to compact that. And just ahead of us, you can see the Petronas gas station, petrol station. That is to your left. Now going back towards Syria, you can see on your right the Petronas. Passing the Petronas petrol station, you can see also to your right the Borneo house that is very familiar there. And in the middle of the roadway, you can see the quarry stones that they put up there. I think it's for compacting the road surface that they're going to do. Again, to your right, as we get closer to the traffic intersection, you can see the bridges, we call it span there. And just after the Cisco substation, they are also widening the left side of the roadway because it's too narrow, and they're still doing it. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please click and subscribe for next video notification. I hope you're well, and take care and goodbye.